Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically let anyone fill in your Google Forms without having to sign in. So select the Google form that you want to edit, go to then settings, and then go to responses. Make sure when you go to collect email addresses, select do not collect, and here also turn this off so that they don't need to sign in to Google to be able to fill in your Google form. And that is pretty much it, really. It is so simple, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!